or any tips, because in this video I'm about to expose a simple yet highly effective feature on TikTok that can significantly boost your views and engagement. And this feature, I guess that it's new because I got it on my account lately, but maybe some of us already know this. I'd like to know also in comments if you already know this trick.
Right now, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about. It is the new feature that TikTok added lately that actually allow you to add any of your posts that you already posted before in the past to your story. And in this way, you will give your old post, more exposure, more people will see it. TikTok story gets much more views than regular posts. For some people, I'm talking about people who are like me, who like my average views gets about 200 views. Since I tried this add to my story, I started to get something like 500 views for my story, which include 1 or 2 stories. I think that maybe because this feature is new, so TikTok give it more exposure, more plays, or maybe because this is new, so there's less competition. All you have to do is very easy. You go to any post that you want to boost. Let's say I have on this post only 30 views. Now let's click on the 3 dots on the right side and choose add to story. Now before you post, you can choose to add a text or a sticker. After you finish, just click on add to story. And as I promised, here are some captures that I took. Now look what happened to the views only 1 hour later. I hope you guys got the potential of this feature. And if not, let me know.
Fantastic.
Well, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please follow me